Hi, this is Anniver Rosalejos, a BFA VCA student, and this is my plate number 4, a painting on variety and unity. I have entitled this Moon Rush. You can notice the different textures I have used in this art, the rugged look to the dark skies, and the smooth faded textures to the mountains. The random use of shapes and form gives it a life and movement. The color choice of the main theme was black and white to give it a sharp, contrasting look. I have utilized some tissue papers for the clouds. I wasn't so sure about it at first, but it turned out well. I know you're young, so say your prayers tonight, 'cause nobody's gonna... I have also used some reds and blues for the tones to make a sense of depth and color to the mountains. Even though the whole look has different kinds of style from the different parts of the painting, every part of it goes together and still the artwork exhibits unity. That is all, thank you.